Hello and welcome back to Simon's Trading Channel. My name's Simon and this is my daily Bitcoin price action analysis. Before I get straight into it, just remind you I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So that all very quickly. All right, so the weekly closed just 9 hours ago. And as you can see, this left shoulder of the prior to the all-time high seems to have said to Bitcoin, right, just whoa, take a pause on a weekly. Just chill out, just chill for a bit, and we'll see what happens. So yes, these two mighty green candles have been just stopped dead in their path. And well, to look into that in a bit more detail, let's zoom into the lower time frames. And I'm going to go from a weekly to a 15-minute. What? I hear you say. That's quite the extremes on time frames. And yes, you're right. It's just that you can see it all. All of the recent price action is there for you to see on a 15-minute time frame. And what I've done while you were all sleeping, no, just literally 2 minutes ago, I just drew on with my fresh eyes I do every day, drawn on the range high, the range low, a range mid, and then two little tiny quarters. Tiny quarters. Down here, this is a suspicious looking line, I hear you say. Yeah, that's just in case. There's a 4-hour closure down the bottom of here, and what looks like a decent range break. And I would expect maybe a pause at sort of 49, between 49.8 and 50,000. But I don't know that's going to happen because I don't know. It might just come down to the bottom of the range and then bounce all the way back up. Nobody knows. That's why you just got to follow the price action, do what the price action is telling you, and trade. Trade to infinity and beyond. Not my words, but the word of a mighty philosopher, Buzz Lightyear. Right. As you can see here, this was a few days ago now. Lower highs, lower lows, trend line down, followed by higher highs, higher lows, trend line up. Rejection at the midpoint, same as there. Makes you wonder, is Bitcoin stumbling up at this midpoint? Maybe that midpoint's going to become like a big daddy or a big mummy resistance rather than a midpoint. I don't know. We'll see. And then this reasonably new lower time frame downtrend with lower lows and probably lower highs. We've got a couple of each so far. I was in a short here. I took my profits at this mini resistant support, would have been support. And I'd like it just to retrace and then I'll go short again near to it because fingers crossed it will then be acting as resistance. And a retest of the low seems likely, although again, can't predict future, so just follow price action around about 50,000 and a half. And then, probably about maybe back up to this little quarterly, which will then be resistance, and then maybe back up to the midpoint. Nobody knows. But I've got a sneaky line down here. We'll see if it proves to be useful. Probably tomorrow. But you never know. Bitcoin sometimes has multi-thousand-dollar moves in one day. There you go. This is going to be a quick video, and I'm going to leave it at that, mainly because I really need a wee. So I've got to go now. Have a fantastic Monday. What else was I going to say? Oh, yeah, if you enjoyed this, you think it's valuable or just funny or amusing or whatever, for any of those reasons, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like it, no worries. Don't come back tomorrow because it'll be the same stuff as it is every day. I'll catch you tomorrow, Tuesday. Bye.